This video will show the rotation panel demo installation using our captive knob fasteners. Thank you for joining us at SRS Industries. This is one of a series of videos that we offer showing the use of our captive knob fasteners for rotating your panel or module without the panel or module being disconnected from the tooling plate, then retightened as necessary in the proper position needed. For this procedure, we will be using one of our captive knob threaded collet fasteners and one of our captive knob retainer ring collet fasteners. We are not going to walk you through the actual panel mounting preparation because we have a separate video on it. See videos, threaded hole knob installation, or single or slotted hole retainer ring installation. For additional information, visit our website at srsindustries.com or call us at 630-569-5007. Install a captive knob threaded collet fastener into the front side of the rotation panel. Make sure the flange on the fastener collet is tight against the surface of your panel. If not, rechamfer the threaded hole. This knob fastener is going to be your center rotation point of your panel, which will rotate on your module attachment plate. It will also be used to secure the panel tight to the module. Install the captive knob retainer ring collet fastener into the slotted hole on the panel. Make sure the flange on the fastener collet comes in full contact with the mounting panel surface. If not, re-chamfer the hole. Install the bearing into the counter bore over the end of the collet. Position the end of the production retaining ring installation tool with the retainer ring attached onto the end of the fastener collet. Push retainer ring into position. Inspect the retainer ring for proper seating in the groove. This will give you a flush surface on the bottom side, allowing you to slide your panel across the surface of your attachment plate without lifting the panel from its surface. Secure your panel to the module attachment plate by placing downward pressure onto the captive fastener. Snug the fastener to the plate so that you are able to rotate it, not too tight. Now you can rotate the panel in any position you want. Secure the slotted hole captive knob to the module attachment plate by placing downward pressure on the captive fastener. Snug the fastener to the plate so that you are able to rotate it, not too tight. Now you can rotate the panel within the slotted cutout. Locate the desired position you want and then secure tight both the center and the slotted knob fasteners. Loosen the fasteners and you can reposition without moving the plate from the module. You can also use the knobs as a grip handle. No tools required for additional fastening. See all of our series of videos by going to our website, YouTube, or Facebook. We have many variations of captive knob fasteners and types of usage configurations. See you on our next video. It's SRS Industries, 630-569-5007.